and here is the starting point right in front of Bay School Community Arts Center. Mexican restaurant. We're off. Okay, next is the library on the right. Visitor Center. Food Lion and the post office. Busy intersection here. But a wide lane to run in. Okay, the intersection of Hardee's. Take a right. And see the sign ahead says Haven Beach. That's exactly where we're going. We'll take a little bit of a roundabout way to get there. We're at the, just past the 1 mile point. 1 mile. At the sharp end, we're going to come up on the old Moon Post Office on the right. All right, so we're just at 2 miles. It's 2 miles in. And we'll slow down at the Moon Post Office parking lot. Sign that's in the picture, and this is notable because there is parking here, so this is the only time you'll pass it on the half marathon. So if you want to have spectators, there's plenty of parking for them to watch and cheer you on, but again, you'll only be passing it once, and this is at the 2 mile point. And we're off. Continuing on. And we are 2.5 miles in, and here's where you'll take a right. And big water stop, volunteer area down here at the church. So we'll go past that way. But I want to note, you'll pass the church 2 times. Once at mile 2.5, 2.6 it looks like. And again, after you, or when you're on your way back, you'll be coming and approaching the church from this road. So we'll come back from there after we go out all the way out to Haven Beach, which is the halfway point, and come back down towards the church. And again, you'll pass the church one more time. But for now, we'll continue on the route and take you by Salem Church. And again, you'll note at Salem Church, tons of parking, volunteers, water stop, gel stop, porta potties, etc. I'll just give you a quick scan. And that's the way we came. And I head on it. Mile 3. Mile marker 3. So at the intersection of Tabernacle and Salem Church Road, you'll look across and see the namesake of the road, and that's the actual Tabernacle facility. I'll put the URL down on within the video, so if you're interested in looking at that, it's right now converted from a place of worship, outdoor screened-in place of worship, to an event facility that can be rented. For the half marathon, first time you come to the end of Salem Church Road, you'll take a left and continue on toward the beaches. Second time you come here, it'll be almost 11 miles in. Let me show the left turn. The road will be clearly marked with paint. You'll take a left onto Tabernacle Road, and the second time you reach this intersection, you will be just over 2 miles to the finish line. You'll take a right and continue down Tabernacle, and it will take you right back into Main Street of Mathews. And we'll go ahead and follow the route and take a left on Tabernacle. for sense of perspective on the busyness of this road. Weekends that are sunny and beautiful like this, it will be busier. So today, right now, it's about 10 in the morning on a Sunday. So that will be, you'll be here earlier than that for the races, so the road will be less busy. But again, it'll be a Saturday as opposed to a Sunday, which might be a little busier, but really not terrible at all. So no turn here, just wanted to point out the marathon route will actually join back in with the half marathon route here at Callis Field Road, or Lane. So they will be taking a extension route that will bring them onto Callis Field Lane, and they will come down to the end and rejoin the half marathon here on Tabernacle. So no turns for the half marathon, just continue on Tabernacle. Okay, so right before the turn onto Knightwood, you'll see these cuties. This is a left turn for you onto Knightwood. And here we go. Started the ride. It's right about 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. So right now I'm not sure exactly what time it is, but you can see the level of traffic on a Sunday on these roads. Pretty much the same as Saturday, maybe a little less, but where we're heading out to the beaches, I think the volume will be a little higher. We're going to take a right to head toward Haven Beach. But I mentioned on the way back, the route is slightly different. Once you reach the beach and you're on your way back to the finish area, you will continue straight on Haven Beach. Of course, it will be well marked and take you back by that Salem Church very big parking area. So we'll continue right to the beach. Okay, here we are at the intersection of Haven Beach Road and Aaron's Beach Road. Road sign there at the intersection. And this is where our second major transition spot is going to be located, on this grassy area here. So the half marathon, as you see that intersection up ahead, that's Haven Beach Road. It's going to continue on to that road. The full marathon, on the other hand, is going to reach this intersection and go down Aaron's Beach Road all the way to the end. So it's actually like 2.5 miles out and back. So what, 1.25 miles then? And it takes you down, obviously, to Aaron's Beach. And then that route will again come back past this transition area and head down to Haven Beach in the same way that the half marathon does. So let's go down to Haven Beach right now. And if you see straight ahead is the third beach that the full marathon goes down, and that's called White's Beach. But we're not going down that way. We're going to turn right here on Haven Beach.